E1001 potential cause, RTK malfunction.
E1001 is usually caused by an RTK signal issue, often due to obstructions or unstable base station connection. Restart Genie or the charging pile. The issue is usually resolved.
E1002 potential cause, charging pile power failure. Check power supply. Reconnect power and ensure all indicators are on. When the RTK light turns solid green, press MOW and OK to clear the error. E1003 potential cause, RTK signal error. Check whether the RTK base station or the mower is located in an area with significant obstructions.
Relocate the RTK base station to an open area with at least 3 meters of clearance on all sides and a 120-degree unobstructed sky view to ensure a strong and stable RTK signal. Press MO plus OK to clear the error.
If the base station has been moved, place Genie back on the station, delete the old map in the app, and remap the area. Potential cause, LoRa pairing anomaly. LoRa's role is to link the RTK base station and Genie, and repairing usually resolves the issue. Unlock the device by entering the PIN code. Press the OK button briefly, then press and hold the MOW button for 5 seconds until you hear a prompt sound.
Start pairing.
Replug the power cable of the RTK base station and shake the RTK reference station up and down vertically for 5 times. Then check it if the machine prompts that the pairing is successful. If the error still exists, please contact customer service.